Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my channel, Easy English with us. In this part, we will study verbs and their examples. You're ready? Let's go! School and study vocabulary. Part 3. Study activities. Study. Study. Say it with me. Study. To study means to read, learn, and practice something so you can understand it well. You can study English, math, history, or anything you want to master. Read. Read. Say it with me. Read. To read means to look at words and understand them. You can read books, signs, emails, or even fun stories. Write. To write means to make letters, words, or numbers on paper, a board, or even a computer. You can write notes, stories, messages, or lists. Say it with me. Write. 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 Listen. To listen means to pay attention to sounds or what someone is saying. When you listen, you focus on hearing and understanding. Listening helps you learn new things and understand others better. Listen. 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 Speak. Speak. One more time. Speak. To speak means to say words so other people can hear you. When you speak, you express your thoughts, feelings, or ideas. Take notes. Take notes. Say it with me. Take notes. Do homework. One more time. Do homework. Do homework. Take a test. Tests check your knowledge, skills, in progress. Take a test. One more time. Take a test. Take a test. Succeed. To succeed means to achieve your goal or get a good result after working hard. It can be in studies, career, sports, or any part of life. Success usually comes from effort plus patience plus persistence. Say it with me. Succeed. 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 Fail. 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 To fail means to not succeed or not achieve your goal. Example sentences. The teacher is writing on the board. Repeat after me. You can do it. The teacher is writing on the board. The teacher is writing on the board. I have homework every day. Repeat after me. I have homework every day. I have homework every day. We study math in the classroom. We study math in the classroom. We study math in the classroom. She reads a book in the library. She reads a book in the library. Say it with me. She reads a book in the library. The students take a test next week. The students take a test next week. Say it with me. The students take a test next week. In these exercises, we'll practice the vocabulary we learned in parts 1 and 2, as well as the vocabulary we learned today. Are you ready to review all this vocabulary? Don't forget to watch the previous videos. Exercises. Choose the correct answer. Where do students eat lunch? Is it at the library, the theater, the cafeteria, or the office? Take your time to answer. Yes, good job. It's cafeteria. 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 Who cleans the school? Remember what we learn. Yes, good job. It's janitor. 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 What do you use to erase pencil marks? Is it the eraser, the chalk, the square, or the schedule? Remember what we learn. Yes, good job. It's eraser. 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 You open your book and look at the words you are studying or writing or speaking or reading. Take your time to answer. Yes, good job. It's reading. 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 I hope you've enriched your vocabulary about school and studying. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, activate the bell, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!